Welcome all of you. My name is Dr. Mohammad Fiaz from University of Education, DG campus. In this video, we will study about cotton mealybug, which has gained its status from minor pest to a major pest in recent years. Studying about mealybug, we will cover its introduction, life cycle, damage, and control. Mealybugs are present in all cotton growing regions of the world. However, on Indian subcontinent, the exotic Phenacoccus has become a major pest, possibly due to favorable weather conditions and an abundance of host plants. It has been responsible for heavy losses in Pakistan, where it is now considered a major pest of cotton. Cotton mealybug is an exotic pest of several crops including maize, okra, brinjal, potato, sorghum, marigold, groundnuts, pigeon peas, sunflower, cucurbits, beetroot, mulberry, and especially cotton. During the first decade of 21st century, mealybug has become a serious pest of crops and ornamentals. It has been reported from 35 different areas of the world, threatening crop production. Mealybugs are small, sucking insects related to aphids. Female adults are around 3 mm long, oval shaped, and covered by a white waxy coating, giving them a mealy appearance. Nymphs are smaller but similar in appearance. Males are small aphid like winged insects. Mealybug is bisexual species with multiple generations annually. Like other mealybugs, this species is distinguished by the morphology of the adult females. Adult females are covered with a powdery wax secretions with six pair of transverse dark bands that are located across the pro to metathorax thoracic segments. A series of waxy filaments extend from around the margin of the body with a pair of terminal filaments longest. The ovi sac is composed of fluffy, loose textured wax strands. Mealybugs have a high reproduction rate, with female mealybugs capable of producing hundreds of nymphs. Development from egg to adults takes about 26 days, and adults can live for about 3 months. Females of this bisexual species are capable of producing 150 to 600 pale yellow eggs in a white waxy ovisac. The first instar nymph, which is a crawler, disperses to settle primarily on the leaves as well as on the stems, leaf petioles, and bracts of fruiting cotton. Development from crawler to adult ranges from 25 to 30 days, depending upon the temperature. This mealybug has been reported to be capable of surviving temperature ranges from 0 to 45 degrees centigrade throughout the year. The location on the plant appears to be influenced by the humidity, as mealybug occurred more commonly on the roots, stems, and foliage close to the soil line in dry climates compared to settling on the upper foliage of the plant in more humid areas. Mealybugs form colonies on shoots, stems, and leaves developing into dense, waxy white masses. Both adults and nymphs pierce and suck on the plant tissues and are able to suck sap from hard tissues, including the main stem and branches. They can affect any stage of crop development. Symptoms of mealybug infestations on cotton include crinkled and twisted leaves, fewer flowers and fewer balls, smaller balls, and distorted and stunted plants. Ball opening may also be adversely affected, resulting in serious losses in yield. Mealybugs, like aphids, excrete copious amounts of honeydew that contribute to the development of a black sooty mold, which inhibits the plant's ability to manufacture its food. Ants Ants feed on the honeydew produced by the mealybugs and help to spread the infestation. Ants also protect mealybugs from predatory ladybird beetles, parasites, and other natural enemies. There are no registered insecticides for the control of mealybugs on cotton in all over the world. In Pakistan, numerous pesticides have been evaluated for the control of this pest, but a hydrophobic layer around its body makes it difficult to control with insecticides. To achieve effective chemical control, an insecticide must penetrate the outer waxy layer. The adult mealybug can shelter in the soil, cracks, and other places where insecticide sprays cannot reach it. The insect damage often appears in patches within a field, along field margins, and poorly drained areas. Mealybugs have numerous weed and crop plants that they use as alternate hosts. Among almost any green crop can be its host depending upon uh, the situation. Control of weeds and ratoon cotton and avoiding planting on poorly drained soil is the best management option for the control of mealybug at present. So this was all about cotton mealybug. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, take care.